Good morning, honorable person here. Myself P. Janakarathinam, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the what are the machining process available and what is meant by FMS, Flexible Manufacturing System, and how we are incorporated the different machineries into the flexible manufacturing system and all. I already discussed. Today I am going to discuss about the what are the basic components of FMS, Flexible Manufacturing Systems, and how they can operate and all. Today I am going to discuss. First of all, what are all the basic components are required to make these kind of FMS components means. First one is for workstation. Different workstations are available like raw material workstation, inlet workstation, outlet workstation, assembly workstation, machining workstations. So different types of workstations are available like loading and unloading. So first components is a workstation, and second one is for material handling and storage system. Material handling means we have to use the different material handling equipments like conveyors and cranes and robotics, AGVs. So different kinds of material handling systems are incorporated in our FMS systems to reduce the manpower. And storage system, here we are maintaining the inventory or stock by using this kind of inventory maintenance system. And computer control system, the computer control systems which is used to control the entire systematic operations. In addition, even though an FMS is highly automated, so because we can reduce the human effort as well as increase the efficiency of our machining components, and people are required to manage and operate the system. The less number of people, skilled people, are required to manage and operate the entire system. So these are all of the basic components of FMS system. First one is for workstation. In our workstations, we are having different workstations like loading and unloading workstation, and the machining stations. We are having the different machining operations. That's why we are using the different machining stations and other processing stations and assembly workstations. This is the major workstations are used in our FMS system. Loading and unloading means we can enter the raw material parts, enter into this point. Here, this is the loading point and this is the unloading point. Here, the raw material is enter into the system. Here, n number of machining stations are available. After completing all this machining process, it will be sent into the unloading session. Here, the packaging and all we can produced. This all the movement will be controlled by using the material handling equipments like conveyors and different kinds of material handling systems are used to engage these kind of processing operations. And machining stations, commonly the CNC machine tools are we have to use. CNC means we can perform the multiple operations in a single stage. So other processing workstations like other machining and working press and punching, searing and bending, forming, a number of other processing stations are also available. In our assembly workstations, we have to combine two parts, we will get the whole components. Here, this is the automation system which will be controlled by the control system. Here, the robotic systems are used to assemble this kind of assembly section or workstation. So, material handling and the storage system. The third major components of the FMS systems are material handling system. So, material handling which can help us to move the material from one place to another place, and also we have to lift the heavy components and we have to fix the workpiece to the vise. So all kind of operations we have to use this kind of material handling equipments, so automatically we can reduce the human effort. So the following are the important functions of material handling system, like independent movement of work parts between the stations and variety of work part configurations. This and all are the material handling work. And the temporary storage, convenient access for loading and unloading part, compatible with the control system. These are all the storage we have to maintain in our flexible manufacturing system. So the computer control system, the all the control system, all the FMS systems are controlled by using these computer control systems. Like it can control the workstation control, distribution control, production control, traffic control, cycle control, workpiece monitoring, tool control, performance monitoring, and diagnostics. These and all are the different control systems are controlled by using the computer setup. So next one is human resource. The high skilled human laborers are used to operate the entire systems of loading raw work into the system, unloading finished parts from the system, changing or setting these tools to develop the coding process. So this and all are the human resources are used, and this is the physical subsystems are incorporated in our FMS systems like workstation, storage, retrieval system, material handling system, and we have to control both the hardware and software systems for making this kind of tools. And this is the some of the assessment questions asked after completing my video sessions. Like the following is not a component of automation system means the power control system and program of instructions. So these three are the major components. So manpower, no, the only high skilled labors only required. So the answer is for manpower. Flexible manufacturing system may be an automated assembly line, because all the systems are automated by using this streamline. Other two options are not related. And list out the different types of storage system means loading and unloading. We have to maintain the inventory. So this and all are the different kinds of storage systems we have to refer in our FMS system. So these are the lecture series which is related to the flexible manufacturing components. In my next class or videos, I have to discuss about the different types of FMS layout. Thank you.